Do you want to create multilingual forms effortlessly? Whether you're reaching global audiences or catering to diverse users, MakeForms has got you covered. With MakeForms, creating multilingual forms has never been easier. Our multilingual forms are now more powerful with our latest updates, making the process simple and fast so you can focus on what matters most. Start by creating your form. MakeForms simplifies language selection during form creation, enabling users to easily choose their preferred language. Once your form is complete, you can enable the languages you want to support. Open the drop-down menu to explore the various languages available for translation, select your desired language, then click the Edit button to open the translation pop-up. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Click the Auto Translate button, and our AI instantly translates every field, label, and text. In seconds, your form is fully translated and ready for review. No manual effort, no fuss. Spot and fix translation gaps with smart indicators. We've added helpful indicators that alert you to any untranslated fields. Once every field is translated, the indicator turns green, giving you the all clear for publication. Want to change your form's default language? Adjust the default language settings with ease to ensure your form is ready to meet your audience's needs. Create multilingual forms faster than ever before. Try these amazing features on MakeForms today and take your forms to the next level.